I'm going to teach you how to create a paper decoration, for which I have taken green color A4 size paper, and I'm going to create two of different decorations over here, and then which we can attach together or we can hang it separately. I am Nivedita from Kalacrafts, and I'm going to teach you how to create a paper decoration. I'm going to take this paper and I'm going to fold it half and just cut this off. Then next take this paper, and out of this paper now we have to make it into the square, and for making the square you have to take right hand corner and this edge should be matching to the other side so that you can create the square. So here after this one I am going to just crease it nicely. And this extra part of paper which is there, which after folding you will get to see, that I am going to cut it off. This you can use it for any of the decoration or for the craft that you need. And after this, once again, you fold it in this way by keeping these two sides of the triangle together. So it looks like this, okay? And for this triangle again I am going to crease it. And now what happens is, before cutting, what you need to see is this triangle has two of the open end, the sharp corners, and one side is totally folded, and that side you need to take it for cutting. And while cutting you need to see that all your lines, whichever you are cutting, should be parallel to this line. Okay, I am going to draw and I am going to show you how it looks like. So maybe I am going to take this pen and just making a mark on it, and you need to leave a little space over here as well. So here you go, you can just draw the lines and make sure that all the lines are parallel. So when you are drawing these lines, make sure that these lines are parallel to this edge, and at the same time you are leaving a little space over here, and in between these lines also there should be equal spacing. And from this corner, this side, we are going to cut this paper now. It's little tricky, little tough, but still you can cut it with the small safety scissors. And for cutting, there is one trick, that never you should cut with the tip of the scissor. You need to open the scissor properly. So here it looks, your paper, it looks like this. Now you need to slowly open this, okay, and one more time you need to open. After opening this paper, what you are going to do is spread it properly so it looks like this, and now alternate paper which you have here, you are going to stick them together. So maybe this is little tricky for you, the first one which you are going to stick, because it's very tiny and small one, but you need to apply the glue to the edge in this way and stick it together and hold it for a while. Otherwise you can take anything a pencil or a pen and something to put it inside so that it gives the grip to your paper which you are folding. Otherwise it's fine to stick it in this way. Once this is done, you need to leave one over here and skip and go to the next one. Now it's time to fix this one together. So for this one again, we are going to apply the glue here. This paper is little thick, so it takes time to stick together, but it looks nice when you complete your decoration. So this is done. Now you need to skip again one and go for the next one. apply the glue here. Okay, one side is ready. Now similar way you are going to fix on the other side as well. So what you need to do is, you need to turn this and stick these together. While doing this one you might feel little like difficult, but you need to hold it for a while and it will be ready. Here you need not to skip anything because already the other one which you have stuck on the other side, and that creates the design. Okay, after sticking, this is your design. It looks nice with one hanging as well. You can put the hole over here and you can tie it with the string, so that your decorations which are there, you can make as many as you want, and it keeps rotating. It looks nice. And if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.